Well, hello there, and welcome to In the Kitchen with the Old Growler. Today I'm going to be cooking something that I'm sure you're going to be interested in. Let's get started.
The ingredients, clockwise from the top. Keller wheat smoked beer, 2 unopened bottles, 32 ounces altogether, 1 box of chicken stock, 1 bottle of Keller wheat beer, less 16 ounces because I've done some tasting, 1 pint glass of Keller wheat smoked beer with the tasting in it, 1/2 pound bacon chopped, 4 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley, 2 large white onions diced, 2 cups of carrots, celery, parsnips, and rutabaga, equal amounts of each chopped, smoked pork neck bone, smoked pork ham hock, and in the middle, 2 pounds of yellow split peas. Make sure you have on the range an 8-quart stockpot and a sizable stirring spoon. You'll need it. The first thing to do is turn on a medium-high heat under the soup pot and place the bacon in the bottom to cook. When it is almost crispy and as much of the fat has been rendered out, it is time to add the onions. Cook the onions and bacon together for about 5 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Now turn the heat down to medium and toss in the chopped veggies. Let them cook with the onions and bacon until just tender, about 5 minutes or so. When the veggies are just tender, it's time to toss the meat into the pot and pour the chicken stock and beer in after that. Next, pour the yellow split peas in, and finally, the chopped fresh parsley. Stir well and turn down the heat to low. Place a lid on the pot and go have a few beers. It's going to take at least 4 hours, stirring things up every half hour or so. Don't rush the process. After about 3 hours and a few beers, it's time to take the lid off the pot of soup and stir it up. It should involve a bit of tasting. Did you notice I haven't mentioned salt or pepper? Well, now is the time to add those flavor enhancers. Ladle out the bowl of this thick soup, pour 1 more beer, and thank you, Canada.
Thanks for stopping by. For more information, click on the link below in the description box, and that will take you to theoldgrowler.com. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. If you did, click on the subscribe button if you haven't already, and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. I'm Pete LaFrance, the Old Growler. Until next time.